Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a video calls on WhatsApp. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to make a video call in WhatsApp or you have problems with video calls, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to the WhatsApp chat we need, then from above we need to click on the camera icon and a video call will be made automatically. Your friend can also answer you using video. That's how easy it is. If you have problems with video calls, first of all check if the camera and microphone have access. To do this, go to the settings and scroll down, find the WhatsApp and select. As you can see, all functions including microphone and camera must be enabled. If nothing has changed after that, you can restart your device and try again. Also try logging into the App Store or Google Play and installing updates, maybe that's the reason. Also something disabling Bluetooth helps to solve the problem with a video call, and the last option is to delete the application and download it again. Try all the ways. Also watch my other videos about WhatsApp at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.